Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.4. First verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application or not. So you don't have VS Code, Visual Studio. Okay, so open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download for Linux or click on download, both are same. Here we have to select the .debian package. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 109 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo tpkg-i code, press the tab, hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing code version number 107. Add Microsoft API repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify. See, we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Let me close this one. You can also open the same by just typing code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now go to terminal. ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm code. Press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version, that is 1.107 on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.